Welcome to Simple English Learning Process. Animal's name. Crystal jelly. Alatina alata. Atolla jellyfish. Aurelia jellyfish. Moon jellyfish. Barrel jellyfish. Bell jellyfish. Black sea nettle. Blood bellycomb jelly. Blue button jellyfish. Blue jellyfish. Blue jellyfish, Cyanea lamarki. Blue jellyfish. Box jellyfish. Brown jellyfish. Cannonball jellyfish. Carukia bernacii. Chiropsoids quadrigatus. Fire medusa. Chrysaora facescens. Sea nettle. Chrysaora melanosta. Sea nettle. Jellyfish, a living creature that's made of 95% water, completely transparent, has no brain, and yet it can hunt, sting, and even glow in the dark. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's real. Jellyfish are older than dinosaurs. They have been drifting through Earth's oceans for over 500 million years. Despite having no brain or central nervous system, they can sense light, detect movement, and react quickly to their surroundings. Their tentacles are covered with thousands of stinging cells, called nematocysts, which work like tiny harpoons to inject venom into their prey. Some stings are harmless to humans, but others can be extremely painful and even deadly. Jellyfish don't swim like fish. Instead, they mostly drift with ocean currents, pulsing gently to move up and down. At night, many species can produce a magical glow through bioluminescence, lighting up the ocean like stars in the sky. Common sea nettle. Cigar jellyfish. Comb jelly, Ctenophore. Compass jellyfish. Crambionella annundle. Catostylus jellyfish. Crimson jelly, Turritopsis rubra. Crown jellyfish, Netrostoma coirulescens. Crown jelly, common variant of crown jellyfish. Crystal jellyfish, Equoria victoria. Crystal jellyfish. Deep red jellyfish. Flower hat jellyfish. Fried egg jellyfish. Giant barrel jellyfish. Giant jellyfish. Golden jellyfish. Green jellyfish. Hairy jellyfish. Hydrozoan Medusa. Hydrozoan Medusa, class. Immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis nutricula. Immortal jellyfish. Turritopsis species. Light jellyfish. Lion's mane jellyfish. Cyanea nojki. Lion's mane jellyfish. Lobonomoids robustus, white-type jellyfish. Long tentacle jellyfish. Mangrove box jellyfish. Spotted jellyfish. Mauve stinger. Mediterranean jellyfish. Moon jellyfish. Narcomedusae jellyfish, group. Nomad jellyfish. Nomura's jellyfish. Northern jellyfish. Pacific sea nettle. Pelagia noctiluca. Mauve stinger. Purple jellyfish. Physalia physalis. Portuguese man-o, war. Pink jellyfish. Pink mini jellyfish. Portuguese man-o, war. Purple jellyfish. Frilly-mouthed jellyfish. Sand jellyfish. Scyphozoan jellyfish, class. Sea wasp jellyfish. Spotted jellyfish, common variant name. Stinging cauliflower jellyfish. Sunflower jellyfish. Thamoia gargantua. Upside-down jellyfish. Cassiopeia andromeda. White bell jellyfish. White jellyfish. White sea nettle. White spotted jellyfish. Yellow jellyfish. Perhaps the most mind-blowing fact is this. Scientists have discovered a species of jellyfish that can reverse its own aging. Instead of dying, it turns its cells back to a younger state and starts life all over again. Some call it the immortal jellyfish, a creature that might hold the secret to endless life. So, the next time you think about the ocean, remember the jellyfish, a brainless, heartless survivor that has outlived every mass extinction on Earth. A creature both beautiful and dangerous, fragile yet timeless. The ocean hides many mysteries, but none as strange as the jellyfish. If you enjoyed this journey into the deep, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts about our planet's wonders. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and click a bell icon.